Yes, Aviral, do you want to ask something? अविरल बेटा, आप कुछ पूछना है आपको?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
बेटा गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning.
What we Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
बेटा. गुड आफ्टरनून. गुड आफ्टरनून.
Today can we start a new chapter?
यस बेटा. We will.
Sir, I have seen that you show a video to the another class. Sir, I got the message.
अच्छा, वेरी नाइस. तुम्हें किसने बताया?
Sir, you posted on Sorry, sir. I got the video.
सॉरी, कैसे पता चला तुमको?
The class. Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
बेटा सॉरी,
Good
कैसे
afternoon,
पता चला?
sir.
देव आ रहे हैं, कैसे पता चला?
Sir, I have subscribed your channel, and sir, when
अच्छा.
you sent the video, I got the subscription.
Okay. Okay.
Please turn on your camera.
Okay.
Please turn on your camera.
Turn off your camera. I need to turn off my camera.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है बेटा, ऑफ ही है.
Sir, turn on.
Turn on.
Yes, sir. Please turn on your camera.
Please on your camera.
ओके बेटा, ओके. आई विल लेट एवरीवन ज्वाइन. उसके बाद मैं ऑन करता हूँ, वरना बाकी बच्चे कहेंगे सर हम नहीं थे, आपने ऑन कर लिया. ये क्या बात नहीं. ठीक है, 1 मिनट वेट करो, बच्चे ज्वाइन कर लें. आ गए बेटा, सारे बच्चे ज्वाइन कर गए।
Sir, I
Yes,
think
sir.
I have joined.
No one has joined. Sir, because the
अरे एक ही बच्चा और आया है तब से बस। चलो, that means not many students are attending the online classes. Lakshita has joined just. Beta, students, the number of students who are attending online classes are less. पहले मतलब I mean to say as compared to previously.
No, everyone is teaching online only. Sir, they leave because they have head pain
नहीं,
after some time.
not that. I mean to say that जैसे पहले ज्यादा बच्चे ऑनलाइन अटेंड करते थे ना, फ्रॉम योर सेक्शन व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू टीच बिफोर द स्कूल वाज ओपन, उससे पहले की बात कर रहा हूँ, देयर वर 20 स्टूडेंट्स और मिनिमम 20, 21, 19 students who attend the classes.
29.
Sometimes even more than 23, 24. But now the students are very less. 13 students are there. So, चलो कोई बात नहीं बेटा. What do you all want me to start the video?
Yes,
sir.
अच्छा भाई,
Yes.
फंसाओगे मतलब आज मुझे. ठीक है बेटा, मैं जरा गया हुआ हूँ, ये बाली जगह है, बाली के बीच पे मैं बैठा हूँ, वहां मैं घूमने आया था.
सर, सही साफ साफ पता चल रहा है ये बैकग्राउंड है।
नहीं बेटा,
अरे,
बैकग्राउंड
सर-
नहीं है. देखो मैं तुमको एक चीज करके दिखाता हूँ, आपको बिलीव
सर
नहीं
अच्छी
हो रहा है, आपको बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है. मैं अपना
नहीं,
हाथ,
सर।
ये जो पीछे मेरे वो पानी दिख रहा है आपको, बीच वाटर दिख रहा है, उस पानी में हाथ डाल के दिखाऊं मैं. देखिए देखिए, ये देखिए पानी में गया हाथ में.
सर पीछे का आपका बार बार, सर बिकॉज ऑफ योर हैंड, सर आपका बार बार पीछे का रियल बैकग्राउंड आ जा रहा है सर।
नहीं देखो पानी,
sir.
मैंने हाथ देखो पानी में डाल दिया. देखो देखो ये,
सर वो आपका हाथ गायब हो गया है।
देखो हाथ तो गायब हो गई ना, पानी के अंदर चला गया ना, इसलिए गायब हो गया. गायब हो गया.
सर ये
अब
पॉसिबल ही नहीं। सर आप कूद के दिखाओ पानी पे,
हाँ?
आप कूद के दिखाओ पानी पे तब मानो।
मैं भी ग्रैंड कैनियन में बैठा हूँ।
कहाँ बैठे हो बेटा? देखो बेटा, ये देखो
यूएसए
पानी के अंदर हाथ गया, मैंने निकाल दिया. गीला हो गया पानी का.
Sir, why you don't open your camera during class?
Really? Because
सर आपने मतलब पूरी शेडिंग वेडिंग करवा के रखी है?
क्या? सॉरी
सर आपने शेडिंग करवा के रखी है एकदम?
क्या रखी है? चलो बेटा, we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is percentage, chapter 12. Please open your book, everyone.
सर we have done percentage.
अरे नहीं, कैसे हो सकता है?
Yes sir, we have completed it.
We have not done.
we have started the chapter but we have not completed.
Sir, we have completed. Sir, in online classes, Gaurav sir had completed in the one class only.
Offline class. Gaurav sir has completed percentage in offline classes.
Sir, in offline we teach from Maria ma'am.
Sir, in online we have completed.
Ma'am has not
online we have
completed this
completed.
chapter and not started also.
Sir, we have not. Sir, online we have completed. But Gaurav
Sir,
sir
in
also.
offline we
Don't
have
worry,
not
don't
started
worry.
this chapter.
Only 2-3 students have done. कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है. तो we will be doing the chapter percentage. It's okay. जिसने कर लिया है वो दोबारा करेगा, कोई बात नहीं. So,
Sir, or you can
everyone,
give us quiz.
please
Also.
write down the name of the chapter. Everyone in your copies? Chapter 12, percentage.
So some students have already written the questions
कोई
in the
बात नहीं, तो आप
copy.
लोगों को क्वेश्चन नहीं करने हैं, आपको बस देखते रहना है। मैं अगर कोई एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन दूंगा तो आपको करना है। दोबारा कर लोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, फायदा ही होगा ना, प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी। दोबारा कर लो, ठीक है? Okay, so I will be showing you a video. It will help you in understanding the basics of the chapter. ठीक है बेटा, get ready for the video. I will be showing you this
Sir,
video.
they were complaining, sir, you don't show videos, sir, that's why, sir, now we are seeing video, but
You all see the screen
Sir,
and tell me if the sound is coming in the video or not.
sir, I want
Shopping
to
is
ask some.
always fun.
The sound is
sir,
coming.
Sir, coming. Why?
sir, shopping is always fun, sir, start is coming of this.
ठीक है, very good. Start seeing the video, everyone. Watch the whole video. It is a very interesting video and also a very learning video. You will learn a lot from this video. Okay.
Especially when there is a sale everywhere and unbelievable discount. Welcome to KID Company with Kabir, Isha and Dhruv. I am Azan and today we're going to learn about meaning of a percent, converting fractions into percentage, converting a percentage into a fraction, converting a decimal into percentage, converting a percentage into a decimal, finding percentages of number, applications of percentages. I heard Isha, Kabir and Dhruv are off to a garage sale. Let's go and check it out.
Isha! Relax, Kabir. She will be here. I don't think you understand, Dhruv, but Miss D'Souza's Diwali garage sale is the best garage sale ever. There is so much that I'm looking forward to. If I miss out on the things which I want, I'm never ever talking to Isha again. Calm down, Tiger. It's okay. See, she's here. Come, let us leave. Of course, we were about to leave anyway, with or without you. Can you not be on time for once, Isha? Once? What is that red board over there? That sign after 40? What does it mean? And why is there no price tag? Oh, the price tag is here. Kabir, this is not the final price of the bat. There is a 40% discount on this price. 40% discount? Sounds good. Do you know what that means? No. What is that? Well, Dhruv, even I don't. Every year, Miss D'Souza just puts price on tags on the items and we just buy them by paying the amount written. So can you explain what this symbol means? The symbol here is called percent. The word percent can be divided into two parts, per and cent. Per stands for every and cent stands for century or 100. Hence, percent means per 100 or for every 100. Let us take this grid. It has 100 squares. If we color 15 out of the 100 squares, then we can say that 15% of the squares are colored. In your examinations, if you score 80 in that test out of 100, then it would mean you have scored 80% marks. Do you know that you can also read and convert fractions into percentages? Really? How? Here's how. Let us take the same grid of 100 squares and now color 40 squares. Hence, we can say that 40 upon 100 squares are colored. Now, we know that percent means for every 100. Hence, fraction 40 upon 100 is equal to 40%. Thus, we can say that a percentage is a fraction having 100 in the denominator. Similarly, 45 upon 100 can be expressed as 45%. And 56 upon 100 can be expressed as 56%. Look at the cap section there. There are 20 caps in all here. Of these, 6 caps are green in color. Can you find the percentage of green caps in the stack? Let us convert this fraction into percentage. We know that percent is a fraction having 100 in the denominator. However, 6 upon 20 has 20 in the denominator. Hence, we need to write the equivalent fraction of 6 upon 20 with 100 in the denominator. Let us multiply both the numerator and the denominator of 6 upon 20 by 5. We get 30 upon 100. Hence, the equivalent fraction of 6 upon 20 with 100 in the denominator is 30 upon 100, which is 30%. Hence, 6 upon 20 is equal to 30%. Therefore, 30% of the caps are green. We can also convert a fraction directly to percentage by multiplying it with 100. For example, 6 upon 20 into 100 when reduced to its simplest form also give you 30%.
I think I'm going to remember this. It is pretty simple. So tell me, if I want to buy that bat, Dhruv, how much less would I have to pay? How do I calculate the discount?
See, it is very easy. So I have told you about converting fractions into percentage. Now let us do the reverse. And then this calculation will become even easier. To convert a percent into a fraction, we need to divide it by 100. For example, to convert 45% into a fraction, we need to divide 45 by 100. Therefore, 45% is equal to 45 upon 100. Reducing it to the simplest form, we get 9 upon 20. Therefore, 45% is equal to 9 upon 20. Did you know we can even write a decimal as a percent? Now think of a decimal number, any number, say 0.63. 0.63 is equal to 63 upon 100, which is equal to 63%. We can even convert a decimal into percentage by multiplying the decimal by 100. When 0.63 is multiplied by 100, the decimal points shifts 2 places to the right and we get 63. So, to convert decimals to percent, move the decimal point 2 places to the right and write the percent sign next to the answer you get. We can even express the given percentage in the decimal form. To express percentage in the decimal form, divide it by 100 or move the decimal point 2 places to the left of the percentage number and remove the percentage sign. For example, 25% is equal to 25 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.25. Similarly, 40% is equal to 40 divided by 100 is equal to 0.40. And now let us come to your problem and see if you would be able to buy the bat or not. So, how much did you say the price on the tag was?
1,200 rupees.
And how much is the discount?
40%.
Okay, so look. We have with us total price 1,200 rupees. Discount percentage is equal to 40. To find the final price of the bat, we need to calculate 40% of 1,200 first. Step 1. Write the given percent as a fraction. 40% is equal to 40 upon 100. Step 2. Multiply the fraction by the given number. 40 upon 100 into 1,200. Step 3. Simplify it to its lowest form. 40 upon 100 becomes 2 upon 5. 1,200 upon 5 becomes 240 and 2 into 240 is equal to 480. Now, since this is the amount of discount, you need not pay it, understood? So finally you will have to pay 1200 rupees minus 480 rupees, which is 720 rupees.
Wow! Just that much? I was given a budget of 1000 rupees, and after buying this bat, I will still have some money left. Yay!
It is a great deal. Listen, Kabir, I think if you have money left, then why don't you buy Isha something too?
Yay! Gift! Why should I buy her a gift? She is always late and she never listens to me.
Okay, fair enough. Then why don't you buy her something that would help her correct this?
So now we know what a garage sale is. Now let's go and see what Kabir is planning to gift Isha to teach her a lesson.
So Kabir, Isha, Dhruv, did you all like the sale this time?
Yes, Miss D'Souza. The discounts are awesome. Such a surprise.
Oh, so you calculated the discounts?
Yes, we did. With a little help.
Wow, Kabir, I did not know that you were so aware of percentage. That is really impressive. Anyways, see if you find anything else. I will see you later.
Bye, Miss D'Souza.
So, Kabir, there is more to percentages. Would you like to know?
Yes, please.
The concept of percentage is used very often in our day-to-day life. It is used to compare performances and quantities. Since percent stands for every 100, it makes comparison easier. Say, you scored 30 in math and 45 in science. But your marks in math were out of 50 and those in science were out of 100. Then we cannot compare the marks scored directly using the concept of percentage. You scored 30 out of 50 in math. This can be written in fraction as 30 upon 50. You scored 45 out of 100 in science. This can be written in fraction as 45 upon 100. Let us express 30 upon 50 with denominator as 100. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. We get 60 upon 100, which is equal to 60%. Score in science is equal to 45 upon 100 is equal to 45%. As 60% is greater than 45%, hence we can say you performed better in math. So, you see how percentage helps us in comparing two or more quantities easily?
Hi, Miss D'Souza. We are done shopping.
Hello again, Kabir. So tell me what you have picked.
This and this.
Very well, Kabir. Your total bill is 950 rupees.
Thank you, Miss D'Souza.
It's my pleasure. Have fun.
Isha?
Yeah?
Here, this is for you.
Wow! What is this, Kabir?
Open it and see.
This is for you to understand the importance of time. Please do not keep us waiting from now on. Oh, Kabir, you just wait.
I miss the days when I used to irritate my sister like this. It's so much fun. So today we have learned meaning of percent, converting fractions into percentage, converting a percentage into a fraction, converting a decimal into a percentage, converting a percentage into a decimal, finding percentage of a number. Application.
So, how was the video?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Sir,
But-
very good.
थोड़ा बहुत आपको समझ में आया? Percent. The
Yes,
word
sir.
percent is made up of two things. पर एंड सेंट, इन दोनों को कंबाइन करके परसेंट।
Yes, sir. Cent means 100, sir. And
हाँ,
per means
Per
every.
means every and cent means
हाँ,
100.
per means every, और
And so
we can also
cent
say
means
out of भी बोल सकते हैं, and cent means 100, 100, ठीक है. So this is the meaning of percent. And now applications of percentage, आपने अभी अभी देखा कि कहाँ कहाँ पर percentage, ये तो अभी बहुत छोटे से examples इस वीडियो में बताए थे. Let me also give you an example. Suppose there is a student who scored 15 out of 20 marks. कैसे marks कैसे बोलते हैं teachers? कैसे, जैसे मैं अभी किसी बच्चे को
15 out of 20.
हाँ, so मैं इसको क्या बोलूंगा, मैं बोलूंगा you have scored 15 out of 20 marks. 15 out of 20 यानी कि 15 upon 20. अब इसी को out of 20 की जगह अगर out of 100 कन्वर्ट कर दें, कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं? यूजिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस. अभी अभी आपने चैप्टर फ्रैक्शंस पढ़ा था, उसका टेस्ट भी दिया है.
Multiplication.
By multiplying, if we multiply the denominator by 5, इसका denominator 100 बन जाएगा. Am I right? 5 से multiply करके denominator 100 हो जाएगा. So
Yes,
if we multiply denominator by 5, so we will multiply the numerator also by 5. 15 into 5 is 75.
Sir, 75.
So this becomes 75 upon 100. 15 upon 20 is also equal to 75 upon 100. That means the student has scored 75 out of 100. So his percentage is 75 out of 100. मैंने क्या बोला? Out of 100. और out of 100 का मतलब क्या होता है?
Percentage.
So 75% marks हो गए. आया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this is the meaning of percent. बहुत सारी applications हैं percentage की, which you are going to learn slowly in your this class and higher classes also. You are going
But
to
the
study.
percentage chapter we have done on 4th December, we have done whole percentage chapter.
Online गौरव सर ने कराया था आपको.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gaurav sir has done.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई बात नहीं. Some of you have done, some of you have not done.
Sir, Maria ma'am has not done this.
कोई बात नहीं. So some of the students have done, some of the students have not done. No problem. We will do it again. कर रहे हैं, दोबारा कर रहे हैं. जिन बच्चों ने नहीं कराया उनके लिए तो करना ही पड़ेगा हमको. So those who have done, they can do the questions again. उनकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी, है ना? So let's start with exercise 12.1. इसमें first question में हमको बहुत simple काम करना है.
Sir, we have to do in rough notebook. Those who have done, they have to do in rough
You can
notebook.
do anywhere. You can do in rough. You can do in fair. जो बच्चे कर चुके हैं, fair में कर लीजिए सारे बच्चे. ठीक है?
Sir, we
Some children have done it already.
in notebook.
हाँ बेटा.
Sir, we have to do 12.1 in notebook.
You have to do 12.1 in the notebook. Yes.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So yes, exercise 12.1. Question 1. What is the first part? What is the fraction given?
Sir, 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5.
2 upon 5. We have to, in all the fractions, we have to change the fraction with denominator 100. सबका denominator 100 बनाना है. कैसे बनाते हैं? Can we multiply this fraction by 20 upon 20? Why are we multiplying by 20 upon 20? अगर हम 20 से multiply करेंगे, so denominator will become 100. Am I right? 5 को 20 से multiply करके 100 आता है. So numerator को भी 20 से multiply कर लीजिए, कितना आ गया? 40. आंसर हो गया 40 upon 100. Got it? सारे पार्ट्स में यही करना है. करो बेटा, सेकेंड पार्ट, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स, सेवेंथ, एट, सारे पार्ट करिए. एवरीवन, सब में यही करना है, डिनोमिनेटर को 100 बनाना है। बन जाएगा? जल्दी बताओ।
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड, स्टार्ट डूइंग। Yes, Devarya.
Sir, in these questions, sir, we have to do these questions just converting the denominator to 100, or we have to take it to the percentage also.
No. Just you have to just make the denominator 100. Percentage नहीं निकालनी। Okay. Yes, all of you. Done?
Sir, I have a doubt.
No, sir, no, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, what
Yes,
sir,
sir.
what we will sir how to do
Is there-
7 and 8
One by one, one by one, one by one.
Next fraction 1.
One by one.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
अंशुमान बेटा बताओ बेटा क्या डाउट है आपका? Yes. अंशुमान.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt, Aditya.
बोलो बेटा आदित्य. Yes. What doubt do you have? Yes, Aditya. Tell me please your doubt.
My answer, sir, in 7-1, sir, my answer is coming 250 upon 100.
Correct answer.
Sir, in this
And
eighth
sir,
question,
but here the 10, but it is more than 100.
No problem. कोई बात नहीं. I will tell you about it afterwards.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Answer correct. Sir, yesterday you saw my sir. Yesterday I sent on your
Yes, I
number.
have seen your PDF.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, I can understand the 7th one and the
Okay,
8th one.
we will discuss all the answers tomorrow. Don't worry.
Sir, eighth
सारे
one answer
answers
is
कल discuss.
300.
हम लोग कल डिस्कस करेंगे बेटा सारे आंसर्स. ठीक है? Don't worry.
Sir, please tell eighth one answer is 310 upon 100.
Yes, correct answer.
Okay, sir.